Learn Italian English. Hello, you lot. I'm Andrea, your Italian English teacher. Speaking English the way Italians do is crucial in today's world if your dream is to be a perfect pizza maker, a wonderful waiter, or a dynamic dishwasher. Gremmar! Today, we're going to talk about past and future. Italian English speakers don't put ed at the end of a verb for past tenses, like I worked. They just put a hand sign between the words I work. I work. Same as for the future. They don't have will or shall. They just put the hand sign the opposite way. I work. Notice that when speaking about work, Italian English speakers don't show enthusiasm. Pronunciation. What's very important in Italian English is the pronunciation of TH. Very easy. You can pronounce it d, v, z, f, as you prefer. I think, with me, with you. The cat is on the table. The Pelgrim Fathers, or even better, the Pelgrim Fathers, if you want to boast in a posh dinner. Culture and habits. In Italian English, it is vital not to waste time when you ask people for information. English speakers would probably go, "Excuse me, sir, can you please tell me which way Stamford Bridge is from here? Thank you." In Italian English, no. "Oh, Stamford Bridge, this is very important. This is the question mark. So this lesson is over." Or as the Italian English speakers say, lesson finish. Bye-bye to all my friends.